Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video you will learn how to create a beautiful 3D donut chart in Google Sheet. So as you are seeing my screen, I have created this beautiful 3D chart for the service level. It's a dynamic chart. Whenever we will change the value of the service level, this chart will be updated automatically. So now I will explain you step by step how we can create this in the Google Sheet. So let's start without delay. I'm going to add a new worksheet, and here you can put your KPI value. For example, I'm taking service level value, and let's say I'm taking 56%. You can connect this with your original data. I'm taking here one support value for the transparent or the blank area, and that is I'm taking 1 minus or 100% minus my actual service level value, because the maximum value of the service level will be 100%. Alright, now let's go to the view and remove the grid lines from here. Go to the show and uncheck these grid lines. Okay, and you can change the color of service level and this value. Select this and let's make a border first, this border. Then here I'm taking some different color. Let's say I'm taking this color, and here I'm taking little lighter color. Let's say this one. For blank area and this, I'm just making it white font so that it will not be visible. Okay, so now it's looking like we have only service level value, however we have blank area also. So we will select this range including blank area, then we will go to the insert and we will click on the chart. Automatically it will create the relevant chart. Like for this data, this pie chart is more relevant, but we will select from the chart editor donut chart here. So let's select the donut chart, the second chart. Alright, now we will do some customization. So we'll go to the customize and we will go to the chart style. Background we will say none, and the border we will take this dark green color, this one, and we will take here 3D. You can change the theme. Let's take here this Comic Sans. Now click on pie chart, and here the donut hole we will take it around 90 or 85%. So I'm taking here 90%. Then pie slice, we have selected here service level. We have one blank area, one service level. The color for the service level, I am taking this green color. You can choose any other color. Then select the blank area and I am choosing here light green color, this one. Alright, now come to the chart title and access title. Chart title I am putting here, let's say 3D donut chart. You can put your chart title whatever you want, and now we will format this chart title. So we will first take the alignment as the center line, font make bold, and title text color we will take this dark green color. Okay, now come to the legend, and we don't need the legend, so we can say none. Okay, now we will add the value for the service level here in the mid of the chart. So I'll explain you how you can add this. Make the chart slightly smaller and then just keep this here. Okay, now we will input the value on the worksheet cell to show on the chart. I'll show you, because we have made the chart background as none. So I'll put here equal to and select the service level value and just hit the enter. Now we can see the 56 here. We will adjust the chart little bit so that it should be in the center of the donut, that 56. Okay, now we will make this 56 slightly bigger. Let's take around 35, and font we will take the same Comic Sans MS, and the font color also we will take the same dark green color, this one. Now adjust the chart according to this cell. Just place it here. Our chart is ready. If I will change the value of the service level, let's say 90%, then here you can see it is getting changed. If I will take here, let's say 85%, then it is 85%. only 13%, then it is at 13%. So it is looking good. You can use this chart in your business dashboard or in your business presentation also. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.